Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and we're out here on the 50. We got the Supermoto. We're in Atlanta. We're about to vibe out. This is a pretty sick lot. Let's go! Woo, let's go. You're gonna know we're out here. I think there's cops up here, but we're about to find out. Oh, look, bro. So yeah, we got cops up front, but they're chilling so far. We haven't had any problems. We got my boy LEEK over here. Let's go. Say what's good to the camera real quick.
What's up, GT fam?
Hey.
MB fam?
Sorry. Bro, I was like, dude, I'm sorry. I didn't mean for my homie to do that. I was like, my bad, bro. Let's go. That KTM. Oh, both the two-strokes. Let's go. Hey, we out here. You know the vibes. We out here. So that was just LEEK out there doing the little wheel ski. As you can see, he's almost got it. Like, he's at that balance point where he just needs to go a little bit further back and he'll be coasting and be able to slow the bike down. Yeah. Like, you want to let me ride that real quick? Some 150 action. This is crazy. This is good. Yeah, so I'm on LEEK's 150 right now, and he's on the low 50. What I was gonna say, bro, this 150 feels so damn smooth, like compared to mine. Like, it's even like it just chills in coastery. But bro, this thing is, holy, what year is this?
16.
Bro, mine's an 18 and this feels way better. Here, hold there, take it.
Yeah, bro. It's like crazy, bro. It's my favorite bike, bro. I swear to God,
Bro.
I know I'm a bigger dude, but
nah, it's a perfect bike to learn, bro. What, you're trying to steal my bike right now, man?
Steal it.
I see you. I see you. It came like this though, like
a setup?
Yeah, like you haven't done anything to it.
No, I did my shock, but I did the shock. Did the shock, put the tires on there.
But motor-wise.
Oh no, hell no.
Cause motor-wise, it's there. It's yeah. Who'd you come with? Who'd you come with? Who?
Mike.
It's cool if I let him ride the 50? Yeah. Is that the first bike he's ridden, or?
He be riding 85.
He be riding the 85?
Yeah.
Wow. Up. With your foot, shift up. Now you're good. Let's go! Yes, sir! So gang, I didn't even really tell you, we're in Atlanta, Georgia. We're at this lot. I'm heading down to Florida tomorrow, and we're just vibing out with some homies on the dirt bikes. Vibing. Woo-hoo. Let's go. Woo. Bro, that 150 is a vibe. We got the little kid on my 50 dragging. Ah, yeah. Woo, let's go. Yes, sir. Bro, I got so much better on the 50 since I rode with 50 Dame. Let's go. We out here, bro. That was sick. Bro, check out this clean YZ. I need to do this to mine. I need to put the street tires on it. I feel like it'll just make such a big difference being on the road and stuff. What I'm saying, like, just doing that sort of gives you the feeling of like,
brake dropping back.
Yeah, you could slowly keep going further and farther. Don't even try like keeping it up. Just so you could feel like, oh, I don't know what that feels like.
Yeah, bro, honestly, I really just started really in like a few weeks ago, and I started on a 450.
Yeah, no, that's crazy. No, but you're killing it, bro, for real. Oh, you fell?
Not me.
Who did?
That little kid, he ran into something. Look.
Oh my god. Let me talk to this fool. Hey, bring it back. Say what? Yeah, you messed it up.